Hey guys, well, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at your Mac system and how to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So this is for a new user, and we're going to go through two ways that you can do that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go down to your Launchpad, which is at the bottom of your screen, and we're going to click on that and go into our system preferences. And once we get into our system preferences, we're going to go into network. Now, in order to make changes within the preferences, we need to unlock. Okay, so we can look at different things without unlocking, but we cannot make any changes. So we're going to click on unlock, and I'm going to enter my password. Okay, so I'm only doing that because I might make some changes while I'm going through this video. So you can see at the top left we have Wi-Fi connected. So it's showing me the network name of the Wi-Fi that I'm currently on. I can click the drop down list, and it's also going to show me other Wi-Fis that are available within my area. So depending on where you are, if you're in a public place, you're going to see the Wi-Fi name of the public place that you are in. You can see the little lock beside them. That means that you're going to require a password to get into all of these Wi-Fi networks. I can also turn off my Wi-Fi, so if for any reason you needed to turn it off, you can just click on Turn Off Wi-Fi. Automatically join this network, so you can keep that checkbox on if you're setting up a Wi-Fi network and the next time you return or your home network, it's not going to prompt you for a password. It's automatically going to connect to it for you. If you don't want to automatically connect to a network, you would just uncheck that box. Okay, the show Wi-Fi status in the menu bar, you move your mouse to the top of the screen and the menu bar drops down, and you can see that I have a Wi-Fi icon here. If I click on that Wi-Fi icon, that is also another way for me to be able to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So at this point I could click this Bell 511 EXT and it will change my Wi-Fi for me. So I'm going to click on that. You can see it's changed here. And at the top now it says that I'm on the Bell 511 EXT. Now back to this menu here, I can also click on this drop down list and switch back to my other Wi-Fi that I have. Okay, so it says Wi-Fi is connected and it has an IP address and it shows you that there. I can go into my advanced settings, and here it's going to show me all of the Wi-Fis that have been accessed through the system. Now there may be some that I no longer want there. There may be some old ones, and so let's just say this one right here. Can't really remember where I was when I connected to that, but obviously it was outside of my office, and I am going to delete that because I don't want it in my list anymore. Okay, so I can remove, and I'm no longer going to see that in my list. Alright, so then again there's some more here, so I can click on this one here and delete. So you will no longer be able to connect to that Wi-Fi. If I do go back to the location that has that Wi-Fi, I can again click on it. I would need to enter the password again. Alright, now this Remember Networks, this computer has joined to, I have that turned on. That's why we're seeing all of these Wi-Fis. But you can uncheck that and it won't remember them anymore. So when you do go into a public place, if you don't think you're going to be going back there, that's one way of not having those show up in your lists. The remainder of these areas, you're not really ever going to need to go into. So we can just click on OK at that point, and then that will take us back to our main screen. So that's a very simple way of how you would connect to Wi-Fi. So when you go into a public area, you can either go into your system preferences, or you can go up to the top of your screen to the menu bar, click on the Wi-Fi or the network icon, and you can click on whichever connection you require, enter the password, and then you will be connected. Okay guys, so that's a very quick video on how to connect to Wi-Fi with your Mac. If you have any questions, please let me know, savvytechrel@gmail.com. If there's a specific video you would like to see, please let me know, and I will add it to the list. Have a great day.